The CBS News Sacramento. Let's take a look at your first alert weather forecast. I'm meteorologist Tracy Humphrey. As we are moving into a weekend where we are expecting our first atmospheric river of the season. So what to expect? First and foremost, Friday's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Afternoon highs today in the mid 80s. Another nice and warm day. We get to the weekend and it is game on. The chance for rainfall heavy at times. Wind, high snow around 8,000 feet in elevation. And we could even have thunderstorms. That's major changes for the weekend. And the big question is, will the rainfall help the fires? Well, yes and no. If it's a direct hit and you get really heavy rainfall over an active or current fire, yeah, it's going to be a season slowing event, but not a season ending event. We are right in the middle of wildfire season, so there's still an opportunity for more fires thereafter because we're going to be drying out pretty quickly and temperatures will warm back up by the end of the upcoming week. In the meantime, take a look at that smoke track. We're still looking at most of that smoke going to the north as well as to the east. Reno coming off of some of the most hazardous smoke in the world earlier this week. And unfortunately, with that fire still continuing to burn and wind still coming in out of the southwest, it continues to push that smoke to the north as well as to the east. And we can't say it enough. If you can see and or smell wildfire smoke, you should be inside, and you probably need a pretty good air purifier as well. Afternoon highs today coming in for the mid 80s for the valley floor, 79 in Auburn, 76 in Grass Valley, lower to the mid 80s in Jackson as well as in San Andreas, 68 in South Lake Tahoe, 71 in Truckee. Those temperatures will be dependent on wildfire smoke. If you get too much smoke that obscures the sunshine, you won't warm up that much. 82 coming in for Fairfield, 71 coming in for San Francisco. So significant cool down is on the way. Mid 80s for today, then we go upper 70s, then we go upper 60s. What's up? That's a big drop. Well, that's clouds. That's rain. That's our storm system coming in during the day on Sunday. So you're going to have a very cool day, a very chilly day with a chance of rainfall. So right now it is an early season atmospheric river coming in for the latter portion of the weekend. So let's time it out. What can you expect when? Saturday, the winds arrive. Looks like they're coming in around midday and they'll still be in the forecast till around 10 o'clock at night. And when I say wind, I mean breezy winds gusting between 20 to 25 miles per hour. Normally that wouldn't be an issue, but we have fires burning and a wind like that can push embers up to a mile in distance. So you have spot fires right outside of the parent fire. Now, eventually you're going to get some rain, but how long will the wind be gusting before the rain arrives? That's the big question. Right now, it looks like that rain will not get here to Saturday night through early Sunday morning. Now, it could be heavy at times, which is great for wildfires. It's not so great if you live in a burn scar area because you could have some type of debris or ash flow. So this is a significant event for us, and the timing and how it all plays out will have everything to do with what happens with your weather locally. Monday, breaks of sunshine. Do we want that? Not really. We're on the backside of a cold front. We got a low pressure system. Low pressure system is lift. You get the daytime heating, you get the instability, and thunderstorms will be possible during the day on Monday. So take a look. This is our satellite and our radar. This is our big moneymaker, our low pressure system, and rain is indeed on the way. Now, bear in mind, we're also in the middle of a drought, right? A mega drought. We're extremely dry, and it is difficult for the ground to absorb the rainfall when the ground is dry and hard. So we want the rain, but I don't want a one-day rain event. I want a multi-day rain event, right? I want it off and on and light. I want it to take its time. So the ground has an opportunity to truly absorb it. Off and on light rainfall is best for us. And as of right now, that's what we're looking at. But let's talk about the wind. So here's a look at the future wind gusts. I'm going to go forward in time around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got close to 20-mile-per-hour winds in Sacramento, Marysville, close to 30 in Fairfield, 18 in Stockton. Then you get to the red here, right? So this is my index up at the top. Red is between 30 to 40. That's across parts of the higher ridge tops, right? Truckee at 27, South Lake Tahoe at 21, Auburn at 18. Where's the mosquito fire? Right here. Do we really want winds to be gusting that strong for that long? No, we don't. So it started around noon, right? I'm at 7 o'clock at night. I still have the opportunity for strong winds. Unfortunately, there's going to be a really great likelihood that that fire is going to grow before the rainfall gets here. Now, the rain's coming, but right now it's not timing out until Sunday morning. So this is your futurecast, 10 days out. We're going to pick it up at Sunday, 2:50 in the morning. Here's my cold front right out the coastline. When does it get to the valley floor and parts of the foothills? Not until Sunday afternoon. In the meantime, that Saturday, we had a whole lot of wind, right, for at least 5 to 6 hours. Now the rain comes. Now it looks like the rainfall could be heavy at times, right? So we still got a chance of some rain showers in the forecast Sunday night. We get to Monday. We have a better likelihood of some light to moderate rainfall. Could be heavy at times. That's illustrated by the color that you see here. The lighter the shade of green, the lighter the rainfall. The deeper the color, that deep green, that's light to moderate rainfall. When we get to Monday night, I'm still looking at a chance of rain showers. Now, it's not going to be raining the whole time. It'll be off and on and intermittent, but the opportunity for rainfall will still be there. The low pressure system's right here. Right? So this is Tuesday, 6 o'clock in the evening, and it's still kind of rotating and churning. And finally, it rotates out of the area late Wednesday. So we're talking about the potential for rainfall hitting the coastline that Saturday night into Sunday morning, during the day, Sunday. That's Monday during the day, that's Tuesday during the day, and possibly Wednesday. A multi-day event with the opportunity for off and on rain showers. So how much rainfall could we pick up when it's all said and done? Now, this is based on model data, based on the timing that we currently have and the current track, right? We do know that things change, which is why you should always check your weather forecast. But as of right now, we could see more than 3/4 of an inch of rainfall in Sacramento when it's all said and done. You could see just shy of about 9/10 of an inch here in Auburn. You could see shy of an inch in Grass Valley. Truckee could see 1.5 inches, and you could see 1.36 inches in South Lake Tahoe. Where's the mosquito fire? Right here. That would be wonderful for firefighters. But bear in mind, Saturday is a day when they could be looking at breezy to gusty winds for a pretty long time frame. You get closer to parts of the Delta, close to 1 inch of rainfall in Fairfield. You can see close to 1/2 inch in Stockton, as well as into Modesto, and close to 7/10 of an inch of rainfall in San Francisco. This is indeed an atmospheric river, right? We got a little rain, we got some wind, we have high snow around 8,000 feet in elevation, so higher pass levels like Tioga, Sonora, coming into Ebbets Pass. Some of those are close to around 10,000 feet in elevation. So on those particular passes, you could have some slushy snowfall just along in the roadway. I know it's September, we're talking about snow, but it's still possible. Now take a look at your 7-day forecast. So today, easy peasy lemon squeezy, mid-80s, plenty of sunshine. Saturday, you'll start out with sunshine. Clouds are going to be increasing throughout the day. Breezy as well, and temperatures will be falling. Afternoon highs in the upper 70s. Sunday is the cool day. The best chance for rainfall could be widespread, heavy at times, and you'll see the afternoon highs in the upper 60s. That's going to be a chilly, cloudy, cool day. Monday is when the cold front attempts to clear the area. You'll see a few breaks of sunshine, but the more sunshine you see, the better chance for instability and the better chance for thunderstorms. Monday 72, and Monday is really a wild card for us. We'll have to really wait for the next couple of days to see how Monday will pan out. Tuesday and Wednesday, the icon says a mix of sun and clouds, but I did put the text on here for rain showers. Latest models are showing we could still see some showers. If the opportunity for showers is better than 30 to 40%, I would then change the icon and update it. But as of right now, I think most of the day will be dry, but I can't rule out a rogue shower. That's Tuesday and Wednesday, and each day temperatures are warming up, with Thursday the lower 80s and plenty of sunshine. That is a look at a very busy and a very active weekend that we're going to have. Again, expecting our first atmospheric river of the season. This is a look at your first alert weather. I'm CBS meteorologist Tracy Humphrey. I hope you have a good weekend, but if you have any outdoor plans, please make sure you know the weather before you head out.